Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good night, my people. Any which part of the world on the day. Today, me day, you know, I'm here reflect at back in the day. Pa me granny myself. Back in the day, you know, me remember my grandparents them used to have a whole heap of land, you know. And when we go up there and start to reap, you know, me I tell you, say, man, you reap things. So today, me I go show you a few things when me remember back in the day. Oh, no wait, they're not gonna wait. Look on this, my people. Zoom in there and show them here. Like I tell you something. When you have to go market and buy all of them here sitting, it costs you arm and leg. See it? Me have lettuce. Me have lettuce. Me have wait, hold on there. Me have a pak chow here. So hey, someone no call it a foreign bak choy. But in a Jamaica we say pak chow. Anyways, see me have little pepper, yeah man, green peppers, every little thing man, and then you have fresh organic thing, you know. Oh, me not done yet. See it here, me hala pepper, the real Scotch bonnet pepper man, my people. See it there, Scotch bonnet pepper. When you cook your rice and peas and you drop one of them here and then nothing sweet, so man. And me not done yet. Make I tell you no something. See there, me hala me yellow one them too, and then see me have me little lime them here too. Me lime them man, when you use them here, you make lemonade. As far as you know, I go say lemonade, Jamaica, me call it sugar and water. Hey, me not done yet. You see that same thing here? It's very dear. How much I don't know what is this. Back in the day when me used to go bush with me granny, me didn't know what. As when me come here now, a big woman, me get to realize this is turmeric. Turmeric, enough health benefits this have. Let me tell you something, you go in a store, you have to go in your purse and dig deep to buy something like this. Hey, me not done yet, my people, who no go nowhere. Yes, this is my rest of something here. So you see that crocus bag here? Hey, make a show no something here. Whoo! Look here. They have so much something in there, I don't know where to start, my people. Look here. I have cane where I cut up. See there? I have enough cane. When you peel them here, nothing sweet. So I'm not done yet. See there? Me have jelly. Jelly coconut. Make I tell you something. You see when I done and I cut this and I drink it, sweet and refreshing. And I don't done yet. Look here. Wanna call them here. Me know say right now. Una do well with two of them here breadfruit here. But make I tell you something. I go and make up my cold pot on this up. And when I put this pan it and roast it later, I drop little salt on it and just eat it. Anyways, my people, bless up on yourself as always, Mama Selva. Have a beautiful morning, afternoon, evening, and night, any which part of the world on a day.